Hey guys, I am here at Frida's Cafe and Bakery in Largo, Florida. It's a little stop. We're stopping to get some dessert after visiting the Heritage Gardens and Botanical Gardens. Links above. Let's check it out. Have their own coffee blends that are inside different coffees, like the iced coffee that I got. Flavored waters. They have their big cakes down here and smaller versions of the cakes down here. Got a mini chocolate suicide, tiramisu, and several glazed donuts for the kids. Got a blended iced latte, has some strong coffee in it, but it's really good. The kids are devouring their donuts. Tiramisu is really, really good. Chocolate suicide cake, chocolate upon chocolate upon chocolate. And this one is loving it. Cake. Alright, so we just had our dessert at the Frida's Bakery and Cafe. The kids had the homemade glazed donuts and they loved them. There's not a crumb left. And I was able to sneak a bite from one of the kids. It was really good. Mark had the chocolate suicide, and that was a small chocolate individual cake, and he shared with the baby, and it was chocolate chips. It was a chocolate cake with chocolate frosting topped with chocolate chips. It was really good. And I had the tiramisu, and it was a little bit different than any of the tiramisus I had seen before, but it was really, really good. And I am a tiramisu fan, and for me to say it was good, it was really good. So I also got the iced latte, the iced blended latte. That's really good. The coffee's a little strong at first, but it was really, really good once you started getting onto it. It wasn't too sweet, which I love. And they sell their house blend coffee here, so it's good to know I can come back and pick up a bag. So if you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below, hit the thumbs up, give me a like, a share, hit the little bell when you subscribe to get notifications on more videos like this.